Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve video marketing with Animoto, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Animoto website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new project. Choose a video style that suits your brand or message. Select a template that aligns with your video marketing goals. Next, upload your images and videos by clicking on the Upload button. Drag and drop your media into the storyboard area. Arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. Add text overlays to emphasize key points in your video. Customize the font and color of the text to match your branding. Incorporate music from Animoto's library or upload your own track. Adjust the music volume to ensure it complements your visuals. Preview your video to see how it flows together. Make any necessary edits to improve pacing or visuals. Once satisfied, click on the Produce Video button. Choose the video quality and settings that best suit your needs. Wait for Animoto to render your video. After rendering, download your video or share it directly to your social platforms. Analyze viewer engagement once your video is published. Use feedback to refine future video projects for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.